Hello, today I want to tell you about one magazine called Be Green. I want to tell you why we should care of these eco-friendly actions. This action is important in home because it helps protect the environment and ensures a better future for everyone. Simple steps like saving energy, recycle, and reduce waste can cut down on pollution and conserve natural resources. For example, collecting rainwater for cleaning or watering plants helps save water, especially in areas where it is limited. Eco actions at home are important because they not only help the planet, but also set a positive example for others. If everyone takes a small step, they combine efforts can lead to be a change for environment. And I consider this to be some of the reasons. Thank you for your attention.